Hi guys, today I'm talking about all the varieties of non-dairy yogurt that are out there on the market because I'm seeing people buy these more, and I just want to point out one thing about non-dairy yogurts that you're purchasing. One of the biggest thing about non-dairy yogurt is what it's made of. Usually it's made of either almond milk or coconut milk, and that means that it's not going to have the same amount of protein that a dairy yogurt has. Those foods, when they filter them out and they're so watered down, they just don't have protein in them. So something you can look for on non-dairy yogurts is the amount of protein. I found that this Silk one does have quite a bit. Siggi's is another one. Siggi's plant-based yogurt has quite a bit as well. So this one has 10 grams of protein, which is gonna be somewhat similar to your regular Greek yogurts. Whereas this one, while it tastes really good, it has less than 1 gram of protein in it. So if you're using yogurt, especially Greek yogurt, as part of a meal or as a protein source and you're switching to non-dairy versions, really be sure that you check and make sure you're actually getting something that is a protein substitute as well.